Hey guys, how you doing? I thought I'd come on a YouTube video to discuss surfaces, okay? And this is for every class, all right? We're talking about Art 1, I'm talking to painting class, and I'm also talking to the magnet group, okay? Everybody, all about surfaces. Now, Art 1, I know a lot of you asked me about your sketchbook and that you have maybe small sketchbooks, so what do? Okay? In this case, this is a 3x5 sketch or 4x6 sketchbook. So the way that I'm working with it, if I were in this class and I was a student, according to what the teacher has asked for, I'm asking for you to do your compositions across the page, which basically mean make sure it incorporates the whole page from here to here, all right? So if your page is small, if your sketchbook is small, you're going to have to do your images on 2 pages each, okay? 2 pages for contrast and 2 pages for rhythm, okay? Now, some students don't have a sketchbook. What do? All right, so this here came to me via one of my, a flyer that I received. It was in my condo where I live, so I'm using the back. All right, so this right here, perfect surface. This is 8.5 by 11. That'll work. And make sure when you take the picture, always make sure your hand is in the picture. And I'm seeing the entire thing from the hand to the image. So I can relate what size your page is, okay, just by looking at your hand. Now, my painting group and my magnet group, what do you have to do? Well, you've seen these bags. They come from Whole Foods or from Winn-Dixie, Publix. Now, I just ask for paper bags, all right, if you are going there. And do you have to go there? No. I'll give you a few other options. Now, you can simply take your bag, you can unleash it by the seam, just like I'm doing. I'm unleash it here, and then I'm going to come on this area here, and I'm going to find an opening. And this area here is a little bit more tougher. You might need a scissor to do it, to make it so that it comes out nice. That's up to you. Okay, I'm just doing this for a quick demonstration. So, for you, if you want, take your time with it. Use a scissor if you have to. Whatever you got to do to get there. All right. Now, so I'm going to open it up so that, voila, I now have a large piece of brown paper that I could use to draw on. Several artists throughout time have drawn on brown paper. It is quite durable. You could paint on it. You could draw on it. Almost any medium will go on it. Now, the only negative about this particular material is that any light color, you're going to have to use white first and then color a little darker. Now, make sure though it will peel up, so you've got to be careful with how much pressure you put down on the page. Now, so this takes care of who? This takes care of my painting class. This takes care of my art, my painting and my art magnet. All right. Now, another question that I got from some of you. What do I do if I don't have brown paper? If I don't have my sketchbook? What you're going to do is you're going to have to use just regular copy paper and just piece it together, all right, to either the 9x12 or, well, a copy paper is 8.5 by 11. So you don't have to worry too much. 8.5 by 11, which was the size that I just showed a few minutes ago. Okay, for my painters, though, you may have to piece together a few more to make it 18 by 24, all right? Now, thus far, for my painters in my magnet class, I highly recommend that you do make it 18 by 24 for the sake of your portfolio. But if you are constrained, then I would then just go ahead and put it in the sketchbook, and like I said, across the page. Especially most of my magnet, I know most of you have a 9 by 12. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to stretch it across, and the 9 by 12 becomes 12 by 18. All right? So don't worry about the metal in between. If you have a spiral one, that's fine. All right? Just remember 2 pages per composition from here on out. Alright guys, I hope this video finds you well. Eat your broccoli, eat your kale, eat your spinach, and be safe. Bye.